ADI chips have always been a hot product. Among various brands of similar products, the cost of ADI digital to analog converter can be said to be the highest, but most customers rely too much on ADI products. The reason is not because the technical barriers of ADI products are too high and replacement materials are difficult to find in the current market. Once they choose to use, they will not be easily replaced. The model we opened today is AD7606BBSTZ. If you have any friends who can find alternative models, please leave a message and let me know. The AD7606 QFP tray is packed in a rectangular carton. Outside the box of this side with label information listed the quantity of the material, production batch, lot code, brand model, RoHS3 specification, and moisture sensitivity level, MSL, for 3 basic information. Most of the original authentic AD label is 2 pieces. Through the label you can see under the label, at the bottom of the label, information like the outside, the shape, occasionally is a smaller shape label depending on the model. Next to the small blue circle logo is the humidity sensitive attention label. This side is printed with a yellow icon indicating that the material needs to do anti-static treatment, is a sensitive device, fragile. The other side is also labeled with white labels. The seal of the box is covered with ADI logo tape, with no tape on this side, but also with a logo with a prominent ADI. The yellow warning icon is also printed on the bottom, with the middle icon indicating that the box is made in Singapore, and the recyclable recycling mark on the far right, which means that the box can be recycled. Open the outer box. Is the vacuum pack chip of anti-static bag. Please pay attention to if the vacuum bag leaks phenomenon. The components should be stored in the drying cabinet to avoid moisture. The damp chip high temperature welding will expand, leading to internal fault and stratification. I will release an episode of how to save the chip. Please continue to pay attention to me. The upper surface of the vacuum bag is covered with various label information, and the basic information is listed. Take out the chip to let you see the appearance of the component. Chip packaging foot is easy to break. Remember to take light, do not bump. AD7606BBSTZ packaging is LQFP64. Chip size is 10x10, original chip surface, smooth as new, no scratches. Properly preserved element foot, no oxidation. The screen mark of the chip is printed with the logo and model of ADI respectively. 2028 indicates its production code, and the number in the last row represents the production serial number of the material. AD7606B is a 16-bit synchronous sampling simulation digital data acquisition system, DS. The operating temperature range is from -40 degrees to 125 degrees, with a 5-volt single power supply, providing true bipolar input ranges of plus or minus 10 volts, plus or minus 5 volts, and plus or minus 2.5 volts, when all channels are sampled at a throughput of 800 kSPS. Input clamp protection can withstand a voltage of up to plus or minus 21 volts. AD7606B with 5mO analog input impedance. Due to the single power supply, in-chip filtering, and high input impedance, no external drive operational amplifier is required. For applications with low throughput, the AD7606B flexible digital filter can be used to improve noise performance. Since the outbreak of the epidemic in the end of 2019, the prices of chips have been soaring due to supply chain shortages, including ADI chips, but AD7606 is a clear stream in the soaring market, and prices are less than before the outbreak. AD7606. At present, there is no domestic Shanzhai materials in China. Occasionally, there will be scattered new and refurbished materials. Pay attention to take precautions when purchasing. AD7606B series digital to analog converter are widely used, mainly used in power line monitoring, protection relays, multi-phase motor control, instrumentation and control system, and data acquisition system, AD7606B. At present, most of them are used with TI-DSP and ST-MCU, and most engineers will encounter in the application of 7606. In multi-board systems that use power circuits for multiple circuit boards, or on circuit boards with very large power circuit loads, the rise rate of AD7606 AVCC and V-derived power pins may be very slow. Therefore, in order to improve the immunity of AD7606 or AD7607 under the condition of long power rise time, after the AD7606 or AD7607 pin power supply is established, it should be placed in the complete off mode and then switch to the normal mode. According to ADI's website, this product is still in mass production and can be recommended for new designs using these products. The evaluation board with AD7606B, model eval AD7606B FMZ, allows the user to easily evaluate the functionality of the AD7606B analog to digital converter, ADC. Compatible with SDP-H1, eval SDP-CH1Z SDP-H1, and can be used as PC software for control and data analysis. See you on next video. Bye-bye.